In this video, we'll be going over example 2 and lesson 12.2. So for this example, this objective, we're calculating proceeds if given face value, discount rate, and time. So from the previous example, this is what we did already. So here's a scenario. Josh is borrowing $25,000 from a bank to purchase a used Land Rover to use in his safari company. Find the proceeds if the loan is for 90 days and has a discount rate of 10.5%. So what we did in the last one, we had, get my pen on here again. One second here. There we go. We had the amount that he's looking to get is $25,000. The time is 90 days. And the rate, discount rate, is 10.5%. So just like we did in the previous example, we did this. B equals MDT. So we calculated 25,000 times the discount of 10.5%, change it to a decimal, and then we're going 90 over 360. And then once we calculate that out, we'd find out the bank discount would end up being $656.25. And then from there, so if this is part 1, this is part 2, and then from there we would, to find the proceeds, we take the maturity minus the discount rate. So maturity was $25,000 minus the discount rate is $656.25, and the proceeds would end up being $24,343.75. Now, an alternative method to doing this is to use a formula that looks like this. So instead of having to do a two-step process to find the proceeds, we can jump straight into that. So let's look at what we have here. We have a maturity of $25,000. We have a discount of 10.5%, and then we have our time. Now when we calculate this out, we'd end up getting 25,000. 1 minus 0.02625. And if we minus that from 1, and if we calculate that, our proceeds would end up being $24,343.75. So this is the same as this here. It just skips a step. Now, if we wanted to go back and find the amount of interest, well, then we could take the maturity minus the proceeds to find the maturity minus proceeds to find interest. So it kind of depends what the problem is asking for. If they're asking straight for proceeds, definitely go with the second alternative here. If you need to find the interest, maybe stick with this first one here. So this is example 2.